Hi, wonderful humans. So today I'm going to preview for you what your expectations are for this week. Again, all the expectations can be found on our Google Calendar, which is located on your Google Classroom page. If you click on this Google Calendar, you will notice that for today you are finishing up your HuG CEA paragraph from last week. I would highly encourage you to watch the video that is posted here as well on Google Classroom, reviewing how to write a CEA paragraph. Then you are going to go into Google Classroom and make sure that you select classwork for the HuG CEA paragraph. That will explain all of the steps. You are going to want to make sure you use all three pieces of evidence in your paragraph like it shows at the end of the video. Again, the video is also linked for our April 20th to 24th work for how to write a CEA paragraph. On day 2, you are going to watch a video created by Mr. Anderson about the agricultural revolution and complete this Google form. This is located on Google Classroom as well. You can see it here under classwork. It is also located here under our live stream. So again, there's a video and a Google form, much like last week. On day 3, depending on when we see each other, there is a time scheduled for our live WebEx check-in. Please make sure you attend that. However, if you cannot, just send your teacher an email so that I can send you an alternate activity to complete for attendance. And then the last thing is, and this is something that has not been posted yet to Google Classroom, but it is scheduled to post, and you can see that in first hours here that it is scheduled to post tomorrow. It is called The Modern Food Industry. There are 3 separate videos, and then with the video there is a handout for you to complete. The 3 videos go through different aspects of the food industry that we know today, and you are supposed to be writing a very short summary of each of the videos, and the videos are no more than 5 minutes each. And then you are going to go through and do some highlighting with claims, evidence, and write 1 piece of analysis so that I can give you some feedback. Again, all of the directions can be found in Google Classroom, as well as what you are supposed to be doing for each day on our calendar. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out either by email or by WebEx. Bye.